Dear Yvette, dear Yvette, dear Yvette, dear Yvette.
It's your girl Yvette Renee coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to do a kitchen declutter, okay? So as you know, as I've been saying it for the past couple of months now, we are moving. But what happened was we got it pushed back. So we're moving next year, February. So, but in the meantime, I want to declutter my kitchen, like with the pots and stuff, pots that we're not using, containers, seasonings, anything. Just pack those things up. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, love bugs. Mwah. Box 1 of the declutter, kitchen declutter, done. Yes, it's done. I bought some black plates, and these are the glasses, and then these are the dish mats and stuff, and I'm waiting on some more dishes to come, so stay tuned. Okay, so I decluttered my kitchen, packed what needed to be packed and stuff. Here's still some boxes and stuff. Some are empty, some are already decluttered, have stuff in there, but I moved around stuff. These used to house my plates. I just put the other stuff on there because we didn't have a lot of those ingredients. That's one cabinet. And then over here to this cabinet, I put the dishes over here. The dishes and stuff are over here now. The seasonings are still here. Seasonings that we don't use the most is up to top. These are the extra seasonings, and these are the seasonings that we use the most. So yeah. And then over here, we packed our canned goods and our boxes, box foods and stuff, and everything else. So, and we also decluttered this and just moved stuff around. Basically, ooh, stove is clean. Yes, cleaned that out. And refrigerator, so we can see the refrigerator. Aha! And this thing is cleaned out. I gotta get some more water, but this is clean. So this will conclude my kitchen declutter. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Moving 101. I'm just kidding. All right, peeps. Mwah. Love you long time, love bugs. Bye.